Hello, everyone! How are you all doing today? I hope you're all doing great because today we are going to continue learning sounds for our reading. Today's sound is I'd. Repeat after me. I'd. I'd. Let's read some words. Cried. Cried. Dried. Dried. Fried. 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 Spied. Spied. Tried. Tried. Now let's read some sentences. Repeat after me. He cried when his pet died. She tried the fried pork. They all pried the door open. All the clothes are now dried. My mother spied on the man. Anna tried not to cry hard. And there you have it. Good job, everyone. Don't forget to repeat after the words and the sentences in this video. Okay? Now that's it for today. We'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.